Horticulture, Dhruvaraj Sawant, Animal Husbandry, Archana Rathod, Extension Education, Priti Vaikule, Agricultural Entomology, Sangeeta Holmukhe, Extension Education, Josna Bhalerao, Plant Pathology, Shubham Girdekar, Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry, Bhima Shankar Satale, Agronomy, Niranjan Thakur, Agricultural Botany, Pramod Sargar, Agricultural Botany, and from Food Technology, A. Poshadri. Thank you all.